Come watch how I create a skincare brand called Breathe using ChatGPT and how I create the branding for it. This 30 days of designing, day 15. I started off by going into ChatGPT and creating a brief for the brand. It gave me the brand personality as serene, holistic, and rejuvenating. It asked me to use earthy tones for the whole branding, keeping it simple with a clean typography. Rejuvenation is often associated with a river enriching the soil again, so I wanted to create a river-like shape between the letters E and A. That's how the primary logo came back. For the logo mark, I wanted to create some flourishing and flowy kind of elements to represent air and wind that is associated with the word breathe, while at the same time inculcating a river inside the letter B, that which again relates to rejuvenation. The idea was to keep the whole concept very simple, modern and minimal while keeping it in the skincare zone. So that's how the brand came by. See how it turned out. Follow me to stay tuned because I'll be creating packaging design for this brand next.